How to add Yotpo reviews to Shopify. From the left hand side, we will click on apps here and we will choose or search for Fera. We need to get this Fera application, so it will take us to the Shopify App Store and install this first one, Fera Product Reviews app. Now this is the best one. If we click on install here, it will refer us back to Shopify and we will simply click on install near the bottom here. And it's going to look a little something like this. So here you don't really have to create an account. You can go to reviews directly from the left hand side and we will choose add review, this blue or green button. And then we will select import or sync. And then you can see Yotpo right here at the top. So if we just click on it, then it will ask us for the app key and the secret key, and then we can import it. If you need any further directions, you can click on view instructions here, and they even have a video on how you can import your reviews. So you will go to settings, store settings, and you will get the app key and the secret key, and then you will have to copy them and then you paste them right here where I just showed you, and you click on start import and this will import all of your reviews. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.